Look at there, got a deer.
Fried bologna sandwiches. Ah! Secret ingredient right here. That's the best sandwich you'll ever eat.
It sounds like a damn mouse gnawing on something.
Show me your new trick. All right, guys, we are here. We found us a spot. We are on Lake Eufaula, and we're at a campground called Gentry Creek, I believe. I'm going to try to, let me get over here out of this wind. 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and sustained is about 15 to 20. So it's a little chillier than I had anticipated. This campground is elevated. I'll walk around and show you some of it here in a bit. So the campground's kind of elevated. The spot I'm on is even more elevated. So I'm not by the water. I tried to get as best a location as I could to give me a windbreak, so I can maybe get a fire going and stuff here a little bit later. But I'm gonna get camp set up, get preacher fed, and then yeah, we'll check back in here in a bit and I will show you around. Hang on, buddy. There you go, bud. Bon appetit. As soon as I get this opened up here, we'll get to two-stepping anyway. It is really muddy out here. It's been raining. You want some of that? It's been raining since about 11 o'clock last night. It's about 3:30 now. You know what, that'll work. It's about 3:30 now. And we'll walk around here. Smell that? You don't want no, yeah. Ooh, yeah, that's nasty. Cheers, everybody. That's Bullet. He doesn't like it. Stop, man. You don't got to drink. Ain't no peer pressure here. Ain't no peer pressure here, buddy. Anyway, we'll sniff my crotch and bark at it. A little step 2 action for you. There's not, not much I'll be able to do out here with this wind, cooking-wise. I don't want to set up like 30 windbreaks and stuff for it. Excuse me. So what I'll probably do is open up this window, which is on the north side. Probably open that up and cook in the bed of the truck tonight. What I'm going to be making is a Oklahoma staple, man. If you grew up around here, fried bologna sandwiches. Now I'm going to make a more sophisticated version of that, so you'll want to stay tuned and kind of see what I do to church that up, if you will. But that's what's on the menu for tonight, and like I said, probably do that in the truck. I don't think I've cooked in the truck like a meal on this channel. I don't remember if I have. I've done it a bunch of times. I just don't think I've done it on this channel. But anyway, we'll probably do that tonight. It's going to get dark about 5:40, I think, is last light here. So we only got a couple hours. Yes, I have to put glasses on to nip the end of my stogie here. What we're smoking today is, I swear you guys are going to think I'm a Drew Estates lover, and I am a fan, I suppose, but I don't typically like infused sticks. But this is from their Deadwood collection. It's called Girl with No Name. If you can tell me of a good cigarette lighter that'll or cigar lighter that'll last more than about a week, drop that in the comments. That's what I really need. Spend all this money on these damn lighters and they never work. Oh. Whoa. Did you guys catch that? I tweaked my lighter and I think I may have made a grenade. My God. The cigar is lit though. Did you guys see that? That don't let me modify well anything. Anyway. Let's kick back. Enjoy this crisp, windy ass fall weather and do a little dancing. I'm not going to get a cup. It's a pint. It doesn't really matter. I'd drink out of a 5-gallon jug if I had to. We're just out here trying to stay out of the wind the best we can. I don't know what that was supposed to indicate. Apparently I'm pointing at my tire. All right, guys, we are about to get started with dinner. It is 5:30. We've moved inside the truck. As you guys can see, I've got it decorated for Christmas. I'll give you a tour of this another time. I've got some of the lights on, not all. It's pretty impressive, if I do say so myself. But anyway, we're going to get started in here. I'm going to make a kind of upscale version of a sandwich I grew up eating. Most folks did. Fried peanut butter, geez. That's another video. Fried bologna sandwiches. What I'm gonna do is I've got some sourdough bread right there, some good stuff. I'm going to kind of toast that, and then I'm gonna fry up my bologna. I've got good old red rind. If you are not using red rind bologna, you're doing it wrong. So I'm gonna have bologna. I've got Kraft singles that I'm going to put on there. I'm going to use 3 slices of bologna. I've got the thick cut. I may just use 2, just depends. 2 or 3 slices of bologna, a couple slices of cheese. I've got some sliced yellow onion on the sourdough, and then I brought this from home. It looks like I did a little quarter bag for you there. This is I made honey mustard. I put jalapeno mustard, honey, garlic powder, and some cayenne pepper. Mixed it to the flavor that I want, and then I kind of wrapped it up in this to-go bag, if you will. I'll snip the end of that and put that on the bread. That is fantastic stuff. Man, it's so good. It's just very simple. Jalapeno mustard, honey, garlic powder, cayenne. I'm telling you, if you haven't done that, try it. Now, the best part of the sandwich is this. Barbecue Lays. I've got the sweet Southern Heat style barbecue. If this sandwich sounds kind of familiar, it is a kind of it's not really a version of it. This is the way I do it. But Snoop Dogg makes one where he does 3 slices of bologna, 3 slices of cheese, mustard, and Lay's potato chips. That's his fried bologna sandwich. This is just what I do, so if you want to compare it to that, I guess you can, but this is its own beast. Preacher is in the cab of the truck, chilling, because I'm going to have the heat and all that stuff, and it's obviously just a little cramped for them to be back here. Now, I did what I always, or what I try to do most times, I try to pre-cut and slice and do all that stuff at the house. Makes it a lot more convenient and stuff like that, so I've already sliced the onion. Whew, man, that is some potent onion. Let's get this thing started up here. Put it over here for now, and I'm going to have to put my specs on. Just so you know, before I get this started, the camera that you're watching me on is hanging from the wing window that's open right now, so this whole thing is open, and I've got a maximum amount of airflow through here. If you've seen my videos, your Jetboil trying to kill you, you know I'm very, very suspect of stoves and cooking in confined spaces, so I've got maximum airflow here, and I've got a little vent or a little window open over there as well. Lights right up. Now, I like this because it is easy to adjust the flame and all that stuff on. Now, all I'm going to do is just rub, see if I can do it this way. Just rub some of this. I just want this lightly toasted first. I'm not going all crazy or anything like that on it. I'm not making a grilled cheese with it, at least not right now. Do this side on this one. Probably gonna need a little bit more in there. Just a little toast on that bread. You got to make the little Maltese cross there when you cook or when you fry bologna. It's a rule. Why not crowd the pan, Chuck? Why, make it more difficult to fry, you say? Who cares? I like mine, as if you watch this channel very often, you will know I like mine well done. So I didn't grow up eating these all fancy on sourdough. I grew up eating these with government cheese that would take forever to melt, and just cheap old white bread and mustard. That was what I grew up eating. But if I can fancy them up, I will. Those are just about ready right there on that side. So let's go ahead and throw a little cheese on there. Where's my knife at? Well, I forgot my damn knife. Lost it somewhere, so here we go. Just as good as I remember it. You guys see how I did that right there? Woo! How'd you see how I burnt the shit out of myself just then with that cheese? Ah! Mother fudge! Holy shnikes. Yeah. When in Rome. It wouldn't be an episode without me dicking something up. All right, go back on with a little bit of remaining good stuff there. I'll do with them napkins. All right. That's preacher's cheese right there, guys. Sorry. Just throw some onion on here. And I like a lot of onion. Like I said, I'm married and ain't nobody coming out here to kiss me. That's for sure. All right. There's that part. That smells so good. Now, this is the main secret ingredient right here. That I'm not doing very well assembling in it. I bought a bad to the bone knife. I used it in the last video. I'm sure I stuck it somewhere where I would remember keeping it so I wouldn't lose it. I do that all the time. Put things someplace so I'll remember, and they don't remember where I put them. Taste these. It's pretty good. All right. Moment of truth. Not yet. Woo! More hot cheese. All right. Now I'm going to try to find my napkin, or my, wherever the hell I'm trying to find, my knife. Got my new little folder knife there. All right, here we go. Y'all, listen up. Oh my God. All right. One more. Make sure it wasn't a fluke. That's a good bite too. Here we go. Okay, I got to confirm before I speak. Shut up. It's confirmed. That's the best sandwich you'll ever eat. That jalapeno honey mustard makes it. You could make that and put that on just about anything, and it's going to be phenomenal, but it makes this sandwich. That and the onion. The thicker, chunky, really crispy onion just sets that all off. And American cheese, just that easy melting American. And then the final touch, man, those barbecue chips. All right. Golly, it's so good, man. All right. I'll spare you the rest of this. Catch you on a bit. All right, guys, I'm going to get a fire started here. I'm going to use a few fire starters, actually, because I got a lot of wet wood down here. So, it may take us a bit to get her going, but I think we'll be all right with my handy dandy modified grenade lighter. See how this does. Maybe it won't blow up in my hand. Damn, that thing is crazy. There we go, maybe. That'll be enough to get us started, I think.
Everything's a little bigger in Texas. It's a big way to finish week number 11 around the National League.
Well, this is our current situation. We moved in here. Well, Preacher came in here about 8. He got tired and put himself to bed. So I rolled in here just a little bit before halftime and got stuff set up and came in about halftime. So anyway, we're going to chill here a little bit, watch the game, got the windows and stuff open. Yeah, man, just relaxing. We'll see y'all in a bit. Listen, I'm going to let you go potty. You're not going to chase squirrels. Look at me. Hey, look at me. Don't side-eye me. Hey, right here. Hey, look. Look, right here. No chasing squirrels. Yeah, you heard me. No raccoons. And most importantly, no skunks. None, okay? Just go potty. Okay? We got a deal? Hey, sit. Come here. You got to shake. Sit. Sit. We got a deal? All right, that's a deal. I'm going to hold you to it. Go potty. We'll see how this goes. Little man is crashed out. He's been asleep for a while, but now it's my turn. Anyway, see you guys in the morning. So I just spent the last half hour tearing apart the bed, the food, all the container areas that are in this truck where I think a mouse could have hid. Because when that thing blows or wiggles in the wind, it sounds like a damn mouse gnawing on something. So I thought I had a mouse in here. Are you trying to tell me that it's morning? Are you trying to tell me good morning? Yeah. Well, hope you don't have morning breath. All right. Well, good bright early morning, everybody. I think somebody needs to go party and wants breakfast snacks. And then Preacher probably wants something too. See you in a bit. Not a bad morning.
view over the water there, and whimpering dog trying to get a squirrel. All right, let's get some coffee started, shall we? Mug. I didn't show y'all around last night or yesterday when we got here because it was just too windy and just miserable conditions as far as the audio would be, trying to corral all that and stuff. Just enough. So I didn't do any of that, but I'm going to take you around here. I'm going to get the coffee made, and then we're going to slide over here. They got like a little kids fishing area. It's really pretty cool. And so I'm going to slide over there. If it's open, I don't know if they've opened it up yet because they're gated separate. I'll show you my little Stanley coffee box one day. Just don't have time to do it this morning. It's awesome though, I think. There we are. There we are. Makes me jump every time. We're gonna do a little different coffee this morning. We're gonna do some bougie grind coffee. I snagged this. I used it the other day, but I guess I could use that as a pour over. Yeah, let's do that. It's got a grinder and a little pour over thing in here. And then I'm using some, for the guys that follow me on my business page, some Texas maple pecan coffee from the Honey Badger. I can remember how to open it. Do it like salt, some over the shoulder. I have an electric grinder at the house and a power station right there. You'd think I would have put those two together somehow instead of buying something that makes me churn butter for 30 minutes. But let's be honest, this is probably the most work I'll do all day. There we are, we're boiling now. So dinner was really good. Man, I don't think I've had a fried bologna sandwich in years. So that was nice, man. I don't think I've had a fried bologna sandwich in years. So let's see if you guys can see that. But I don't know what you can see over there. Really don't. Deal with it, I guess. Sorry. But anyway, I haven't had a fried bologna. How many times am I going to say that? 5, 6, 7. Man, this smells. Dude, this smells good. Where was I? Starting a story for the 5th time. Dinner was great. That's what I was trying to say. Dinner was really good. You can church that up or what. I mean, come on, man. It's a fried bologna sandwich. It's not like I'm inventing, some fantastic recipe out here. But sometimes it's the most simple things that are the best. You ready to leave? Let's go explore. Hey, and then we can go home and see the girls. You can go home and see the girls? All right, let's go. Truck up. Good boy. Look at there. Got a deer crossing the road. Got a little buck. There he is, right there. That's a good one, boys. He looks like a little... eight point maybe? Can't really see him. How cool is this, guys? Look at that. Manicured shoreline area here. This is just for kids under 16 and disabled people. But everybody can come out and enjoy coffee, I suppose. You gonna jump off of there? I think that's what you're wanting to do. You want to jump off of that? I don't care. Do it. Do it, but I'm not going in after you. You little Ricky want to be a high diver? Okay. Why don't you jump off over here on this side? Get in there. Go, well, get in there. I don't care. I'm not. Come on. I want you to take off running in there. Right down in there. I knew it. I knew what you wanted. My God. I swear. You're crazy, boy. No, don't do that in the mud. Don't do that in the mud. Preacher, no. No, buddy. Stop. I was wanting to have a quiet morning coffee, man. Peaceful, sit out here. I missed it. Hey, do it again, man. He took off running from all the way, ran all that shoreline there, come down here, ran right up here, ran, and then jumped through that bottom. I didn't think you had it in you, son. Here, do it again. I want to see it. Let's do it. Come here. He's happy to show me. Look at you with your new trick. Hey, you think you're fancy because you figured that out on your own? Hey, show me again. Go show me your trick. Go show me again. Go show me your trick. Go show me. All right, come on. Hey, show me your trick. Show me your new trick. That's a good trick. All right. I'm proud of you. Shh. He's having a great morning. Let me turn around. Quit being a weenie. Anyway, we're going to play a little bit. He's obviously got a little bit of amped up energy before we get in the truck for a ride. We're going to close this one out, I guess, guys. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for tuning in and watching and liking and all that kind of stuff and subscribing. If you haven't done all that stuff, I mean, come on, man. All the cool kids are doing it. You should too. Until next time, guys, we'll, well, I don't know what the hell we'll do, but put some gravel in your travel. Oh, no. If you think you're getting in there without toweling off, you're a mistake. Don't you like toweling off? I don't care. You're going to do it. Hey, get over here. Stop. Towel yourself off.
I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't want to go to work because my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life because I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going